All right, hello and welcome to Jagran Hitech Conversation. I have with me Mr. Madhav Sheth, who's the CEO of HTech on Jagran Hitech. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Honor 90 के बारे में. Honor की re-entry है Indian market के अंदर, so we'll ask some questions around that as well. Madhav, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure again seeing you.
Tell us about the Honor 90 first. Why was this your first choice of product for the Indian market?
I think this is one of the most balanced products.
Right.
I can say having a 5000 milliamp hour battery, safest phone for your eyes, quad display which has never been in the segment before, ensuring that probably it's a complete package with the cleanest UI, and that's the reason I think, and when it's the slimmest phone and the lightest phone at the same time.
There were a lot of anticipations of the pricing being slightly different. I'll be very honest, मेरे interview के questions भी थोड़े अलग थे, but stage पे your price really like surprised us, at least the introductory price of things. How long is the introductory price going to last? Is it limited to certain units?
Definitely is limited to a certain time, not the units, but certain time. But I think looking at the response, I think we have to rearrange the particular time.
Correct, because the 30 to 40k segment is extremely crowded. You know, there are so many offerings from different competitors, and it is a segment of upgrade, as our friend from Amazon just told us about. So, if the price point is to be on sub 35k, how do you manage to compete with the competition over there?
See, competition is not about pricing. Competition is about your experience which you are giving to the consumer. Anybody can price at any particular point, but is that the similar experience what they're able to give at that price point? That is very important. Can anybody give with this 1600 nits quad curved display, which is a Super AMOLED fluid display, with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, with the slimness, with a toughened glass, with probably the safest phone for eyes certification from DxO standards also? Can everybody package in this particular price? That's the whole point.
So about India, the re-entry of Honor brand coming to India, right? Because Honor was existent in the market before, so you get that advantage in terms of you don't have to build the brand from the word go. लोगों को recall है कि Honor एक successful brand रहा था, but at the same time the exit was a little difficult and was a little wavy for Honor, right, as a brand. And अभी Honor Tech आपने इंडिया में setup करा है. How do you plan to take on that challenge in terms of the exit? How that was for the last brand?
See, let me put it very honest. The exit, whatever it would be, we have understood what was the consumer's pain point. The consumer pain points was service. सबसे पहले उनका सबसे बड़ा pain point था कि हम service को कैसे address करेंगे, because when last time Honor went out of it, service के काफी issues pending थे. We have made sure from day one हमारे 400 से ज़्यादा service centers हो. Day one it is operational. Spare parts availability हो. Making sure that probably हम 30 days DO replacement policy ले लें, which means that no question asked on the hardware if there's any defect. Probably we can give you 30 days straight away table replacements. So that's how we are giving a complete peace of mind.
Right. So service after sales remains to be your core differentiator.
Definitely, the core differentiator is everything. We are making sure that every single aspect is a differentiator.
Right.
How can we give a complete user experience? That's the whole point, right?
Got it. You mentioned 400 service centers. Are these going to be owned by Honor Tech, or are these going to be in terms with your partners?
It is going to be partnerships only, definitely. We have joined with a lot of partners with HTech.
Right. And about manufacturing in India, when can we expect like a complete plant setup, and you know what?
We're already in discussions probably, and we will have to do it,
of course,
over a period of time, and we are ensuring that probably how can we bring the same quality standard, because the Honor's fill defect rates are less than 0.5%, which I have seen as a standard globally.
Right.
How can I have the similar quality built up in India? That is something what we are already figuring it out.
So you're already in talks?
Already in talks with.
Right. So no particular state or area that you can mention right now?
No, nothing as such.
Okay. All right. No, I was just trying to check over there. Honor 90 सबसे पहले आया मार्केट में. इसके बाद और क्या सीरीज एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं हम?
I can say one thing. Honor will be, if we are doing it full-fledgedly, it will be a full-fledged brand, starting from an entry-level smartphones going up to the higher smartphones. तो हमारी aspirations यही है कि हम entry-level 5G phones भी लाए, 4G भी लाए, साथ में हमारे पास जो Fold series और Flip series है वो भी हम लाए, because इनकी जो Fold series globally अभी आई है is one of the slimmest phone, which I think even Samsung cannot replicate it.
Correct.
So I think with a 5000 milliamp battery, they have achieved after fold 9.9 mm, which is similar to a width of an iPhone.
Right.
So how can this type of experiences we can bring to the consumers in India? That's what something we are looking at.
Interesting. And also you mentioned that you're doing Amazon, you're doing offline stores as well, all the mainline stores. दिवाली से पहले सेल्स की क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? Are you expecting it to trend somewhere ऑनलाइन में ज़्यादा या ऑफलाइन में ज़्यादा?
Right now, for us, the purpose was to make sure that we test the consumers, we understand them. Volumes is not something what we want to build up right away.
Okay.
Right now, what we want to build is a community of the core community of the content creators, influencers, and all these things, where people really come forward and give us the feedbacks, and probably we develop the near future product accordingly. So I think that's the whole idea, and
Right.
we'll build it slowly and gradually. But next year definitely is going to be big.
Definitely is going to be about volume. Okay, last question before we end this conversation. You've led international markets in the past for a different brand. Do we see like a transition of Honor Tech into the global markets as Honor Tech, not as Honor?
No, but I'm not sure about that right now.
Okay.
Let's talk about India, right?
Right. And smartphones, is it just going to be limited to that, or do we expect like other transitions into other IoT spaces as well?
Ecosystem play is definitely important. Ecosystem is always a complementing product. It's never a competing, but it's always a complementing product. So how can we make sure that this complementing product strategy always helps us to grow the business? We'll definitely do it.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Madhav. This was
Pleasure
great.
meeting me.